Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Vladimir. For today's video, we are jumping into our regularly scheduled program, which is nail tutorials. If you guys watched from my last video, I did a little deep dive of what it's like to live life with lupus. So if you are curious or if you missed the video, don't forget to check that out after you watch this one, of course. If you are new to the channel, I am a licensed nail technician. And so if you are into nail art, nail inspo, nail tutorials, or just want to hang out and do a little vloggy vlog with me, this is the perfect channel for you. So we are going to be diving into Model Ones. And if you guys have been on the channel, you already know Model Ones is one of my favorite nail brands to use for myself as well as for my clients. Now, we have 6 stunning colors that we're going to be trying today, and I have my swatches and they are ready to be swatched. And I'm ready to try out these colors because from the looks of them, they are gonna be stunning. Now, share this video, share the channel to somebody who might be interested in anything, nail designs, inspo, art, tutorials, all the things. Or like the video, comment the video if you yourself have tried Model Ones. I'm curious. I'm also down to try new brands too. So as we go throughout the video, and if there's a brand that I have not mentioned, that I have not tried here on the channel, please let me know. I'm gonna just let you guys like, subscribe, share all the things because I am extremely excited to dive in. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and open up our Model Ones gel polish. Now, you guys can already tell with these very long nails, I am having the time trying to open up this box. But once we finally get in, we can see these 6 beautiful colors. Now, I'm not quite sure how they put the assortment of colors together, but one of my best friends, my soulmate, she actually purchased all of these polishes for my birthday. So I was not joking when I said we have nail tutorials to come. So I am popping these out of the little container so that we can get them ready for our swatches. So this is going to be a little sneak peek. Now, what's interesting is that I've noticed is Model Ones, they don't normally put the different color polishes on the box. So that leaves me guessing every time I open the different nail polishes to see what we have in store. So I have our 6 swatches, and I had a subscriber down in the comments actually ask why I put the base coat on. And really, it's for my beginner nail techs, for those who are getting into nails for their first time. If it's, your first time on the channel, I want to make sure that we are going over every step so that you have everything that you need to get everything going for your nails. So, of course, I have our alcohol wipes. I normally wipe the inhibition layer off. That'll be the tacky layer that comes off of the polish once it has been cured for 30 seconds. So we are very quickly going through cleaning up these swatches so we can get ready for all of these polishes. As we finish wiping off the inhibition layer off of all of our polishes, I normally use Kira Sky, but for our first color, we have number 2506. And I'm not going to lie, as I pulled out the lid, it was giving a metallic-y blue, and it's wild because if you look on the top, it looked black. So I'm actually very pleasantly surprised that it's giving a very metallic blue. If you guys have seen Oh my goodness, what's that movie? Derek Zoolander. And you know, like that model move he does at the very end, it's like blue steel. If blue steel was a color, it would be 2506. This looks beautiful with only one coat. This is only one coat. Really good start so far. Next, we have our 2493, and this one is giving Green Goblin. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It is something about green, and it's probably because it's my birthstone. There is just something about this green that is absolutely giving. Green for giving. Again, we are quickly putting this polish on, and yes, I did have to speed up the video a little bit because this would be a hour-long video if we did not, making sure we're getting off every piece of lint that magically appears on our swatches. But y'all, this green is perfect. Look at how beautiful that is, you guys. It's stunning. And you can see it kind of peeking through the bottle as well. It's like, yeah, it's just like a little hint. Okay, 2493. I see you, girl. Moving right along, we have our next color, which is 2489. And we again have almost like a metallic orangey red. It's giving Mulan-esque color with like hints of gold. Really beautiful for like the Chinese New Year. I feel like would be such a stunning color. But yeah, again, we're rocking it with a one coat, making sure that you can see all the angles and making sure that that coat is even, nice and even. And I don't know if I've already said it, but we are curing these for about 30 seconds for each. And this is absolutely beautiful. I feel like you guys hear me say it all the time, but I love me some Model Ones. This next color is going to be 2487, and it's giving almost kind of like a purpley, kind of bluey type of feel, and it's very transparent. I've only had to use one coat for all of the polishes that we've done prior. I feel like this one would be the only one that I would potentially put on top of a base coat. For the sake of our video, I will be putting two coats, and just so that we can get more of that pop, a little bit more of that shine. So here we are slapping on that second coat, and I can definitely tell when the light is hitting it that it is giving galaxy. It's absolutely stunning, and I'm happy with the way that it turned out. Definitely think it would look better on top of a base. I am loving 2487. It turned out absolutely stunning. I love the little peek through the butterfly. You guys, for number 2486, I actually did a little boo-boo and I forgot to record me putting it on the actual swatch. So here it is in all its glory. It's beautiful. I love this teal. It's almost a little transparent as well. As I'm watching this video, I feel like I finally have a theme for it. And I feel like the theme for this pack is metallic. Because I was looking at all of the different polishes and I'm like, all of these colors are stunning, but what is the common theme? And the common theme is metallic. And I am just so thrilled that I finally figured it out. And no, I do have to say this is not a sponsored ad. And the color that we are swatching right now is 2484. And it is absolutely beautiful. I feel like my mom would love a color like this. Mom, you let me know down in the comments if this is something you would like to see on your own nails. Shout out to all the moms out there. Now that we have everything swatched up and all of our colors on looking beautiful, we have our Kiara Sky top coat, and I cannot wait to see how these turn out once they are all cured. Now, you guys already know I want to hear from you down in the comments. Which color is your favorite? You guys already know that this one, this emerald shimmery green, it's beautiful. It's my favorite. That one's my favorite. So you guys know which one mine is. Let me know which one yours is. Now, this one I am very excited to either use for like the New Year's or maybe even like a Mulan cosplay. Actually, you guys let me know. Do you guys want to see more cosplay on the channel? I know I did that Nezuko video for Halloween, which I feel like you guys all loved. And I feel like Halloween is coming up. So if there is someone or something you'd like me to cosplay, let me also know that down in the comments so that I can order it and I can get all the things ready. I feel like I would have so much fun doing that again on the channel. But you guys have to let me know what you guys want to see because I'm curious. This channel is also for you. It's not just for me. And I want to make sure that I'm creating content that you guys want to see. So here are all of the cured polishes. They are absolutely stunning. If you guys have this little pack, this little 6-pack, I don't know why I'm calling it a pack. If you guys have these polishes, sound off down in the comments because I'm curious. I'm curious. I love them. They're different. Thank you so much. You know, it's not something that I feel like I would order myself. So this is actually like really fun because I get to try something new for you guys that I wasn't expecting. And lucky for us, they all turned out absolutely perfect. So let's get to wrapping it up. What did you guys think of these 6 stunning colors? I feel like I'm always very impressed when I use nail polish and it only needs one coat. There was the purple kind of like pink shimmer that needed 2 coats. But honestly, if you slap that on top of like a darker base, it would turn out absolutely stunning. Now, Model Ones will continue to be in the top for nail brands because I feel like they never disappoint. You guys. You guys, sound off down in the comments. Do you guys like Model Ones as much as I do? Because I feel like they know what they're doing. They have their formula, their consistency. Honestly, Model Ones is probably one of the brands that I first started using when I graduated school. And it's been almost 3 years since I graduated, and I am still a die-hard fan. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you learned something new as we were going through the nail tutorial, if you remembered a brand of nail polish that I have not tried here on the channel, also let me know down in the comments. And I am just so happy to be feeling good, feeling healthy, to be able to come and hang out with you guys in front of the camera. I am so blessed and I am not stressed, because if I get stressed, then that's when my lupus flares up, and we're not trying to have that. So I appreciate your guys' patience, your grace, your commitment to coming back and watching these videos. I would truly not be here without you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you for the next one. Bye. Oh, I wanted you subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feelings. Can't fight the way